Hi, in this quick Elementor Pro tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can ensure your copyright year in your website footer is always up to date. The good news is you're just going to need to set this up once, and then you're not going to have to ever worry about it again. So let's jump into the back end and show you how easy it is to set up. And here we are inside of the footer template. So all you need to do in this case is just bring in the text editor, pull that in there, and then you're going to click this button right here, Dynamic Tags. And then you're going to scroll down until you see site, and then right here where it says current date time. So as soon as you do that, it's going to pull in exactly the date. So right now it's January 2nd, and it gives you the time and everything. So what you're going to do is you need to just display the year. So as you can see, they have these drop downs right here, but none of them are just going to display the 2025 year. So you're going to want to click on this button right here. It says custom. And then you can remove all of this and just do a capital Y. So as soon as you do that, it's going to say just 2025 in this example. If you click right here, this documentation is going to go to the WordPress documentation where you can see all of the different types of formats you can do. So you can see right here that capital Y I just typed in. That's going to be pulling in the 4-digit year, so 2025. But you can see right here, there's a lot of different combinations you can do for how you want to display things. So this is a really good page to reference, if you need something other than just like the physical year. And now we just need to add some text before and after the dynamic information. So to do that, you just go underneath advanced, and then you could just put in whatever you want in front of it. So in this case, I wanted to have the HTML symbol for the copyright sign. So you can see that right here, and then you can have the word copyright. And then if you notice that there's no gap in between the dynamic information and the before, so what you could do is if you just need one space, you just literally hit the space bar and it's going to update and automatically add that space. And then for after, let's just say it's something like wiki design. And you can see right here, same thing. You're going to need to add a space right before the word wiki design. So you could just hit the space bar and then it will automatically add one space right here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to set up. So now you can center this. And in this case, let's just make the text white. And there you go. You're good to go. So the good thing is, like I said, you only have to set this up once and you never have to worry about it again. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to set this up inside of Elementor Pro.